Hi, we're Dan and Trina Webster, founders of ZQuiet. One common question we're asked is, how long will my ZQuiet last? For starters, we suggest that you replace your ZQuiet every 4 to 6 months, just like a toothbrush. After all, this is something you're wearing in your mouth for many hours each night, and you want to make sure it's clean, fresh, and working well.
Over time, with daily use, ZQuiet will begin to show signs of wear and hinge fatigue. For some people, that may be longer than 6 months. And for others, particularly those who clench or grind their teeth, more frequent replacement may be needed.
Again, our recommendation is every 4 to 6 months, and we make it easy and affordable to replace your ZQuiet, especially if you use our subscription program, which offers the deepest discounts and free shipping.
Remember, it's important to clean your ZQuiet after each use and lay it flat in the storage case to maximize the life of the hinge. Cleaning ZQuiet is easy and takes only a few seconds with our specially formulated cleaner, ZQuiet Clean.
Here's another helpful tip. Dogs love ZQuiet because it's a great chew toy and it smells like their favorite person. So that's another reason to clean it and store it in its protective case every morning.